This video is respond to Llama's 9 tech thing in my house. So first off would be my Nintendo DS Lite. I play games a lot with it. Next would be my external hard drive by Western Digital. It's 1 terabyte and I keep a lot of musics, videos and animes in it. Next would be my MP3 player by Sony. The series is NWZW252 series. Next is my gaming headphones by Razer. This one is Razer Electra. I play a lot, especially when I play Dota 2 in my laptop. Next is my scientific calculator. I'm an engineering student, so I use it a lot. Next would be my iPhone 4. Nothing much about it. Next would be my wireless keyboard by Logitech. It's K260 series. And the eighth tech thing in my house would be my Asus N55SF laptop. It's multimedia and gaming series. I used to play lots of games in it, especially Dota 2. And last but not least, my Sanyo ZT CA100 Handycam, the one that I'm using right now to record this video. And that's the video for 9 tech thing in my house.